Hi guys, it's Primrose and welcome back. Today we are in front of my southern exposed window, and as you can see, nature is very much alive in this corner of my home. It's a beautiful sunny morning and I wanted to capture the shimmer on the petals of these beautiful flowers here. So this is my Begonia Maculata. It started to put out buds about a week ago, and most of the petals of the flowers are now open, and it's in this beautiful shimmering white color with a bit of yellow in the center. I love how white it is, and let me bring you closer. Oh, how beautiful. It's glittering. Yeah, so it's a big cluster of flowers, and I'm not sure if I can collect seeds from this plant. This is a first time bloomer, you see, and then I have another one, another flower stalk coming out from that stem. But I am happy to say that the cuttings are doing beautifully, but it will take a little bit more time for the plants to establish. And then I will be happy to share the beauty of these plants to you, and details will be posted on my Facebook page, Macrame and Plants, and watch out for it. It will be out there soon. Oh, I can't get enough of this. It's so beautiful, and I'm curious to know how long it's gonna last. And we'll see if it will put out another flower stalk from that new growth there coming out. And a little update of my Clivia miniata. So most of the buds are now open. Look how beautiful. I don't see a lot of people on YouTube cultivate this plant inside their home, but as you can see, it thrives indoor. And oh, look at that beautiful big cluster of flowers. And yeah, so I put them side by side. So I have white and I have the bright orange color. So that is all for this update, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing well, and take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.